Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Hogwarts Legacy crashing, not launching, freezing, and black screen. So if you're experiencing these issues, it can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve these problems. First, check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements to run Hogwarts Legacy. Verify that your operating system, graphics card, and processor are compatible with the game. Update drivers. Outdated graphics card drivers can cause crashes or black screen problems. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download and install the latest drivers compatible with your system. Verify game files. If you're experiencing crashes, not launching, or other issues, start by verifying the integrity of your game files. If you are using a platform like Steam, right-click on the Hogwarts Legacy in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Hogwarts Legacy executable file, usually named hogwartslegacy.exe. Select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as administrator. This step can provide the necessary permissions for the game to run smoothly. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. These applications can consume system resources and potentially interfere with the game's performance. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the graphical settings, including resolution, texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Lowering these settings can reduce the strain on your system and help prevent crashes or black screen problems. Disable overlays and recording software. Disable any overlays or recording software running in the background, such as Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, or OBS. These overlays can sometimes conflict with the game and cause stability issues. Check for conflicting software. Some software, such as antivirus programs or firewall applications, can interfere with a game's performance. Temporarily disable or add exception for Hogwarts Legacy in your antivirus or firewall settings. Update Windows and DirectX. Make sure your operating system, Windows and DirectX are up to date. Install the latest Windows updates and visit the official Microsoft website to download and install the latest version of DirectX. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider reinstalling Hogwarts Legacy. Uninstall the game, restart your computer, and then download and install a fresh copy from your platform. So for example, Steam, Epic Game Store. So the last thing that you can do is to contact support. If you have tried all of the previous steps and are still experiencing issues, reach out to the game's official support channels. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, any error messages, and the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. They may be able to provide further guidance or escalate the issue if necessary. So by following these steps, you can attempt to resolve crashes, not launching, freezing, or black screen issues in Hogwarts Legacy. Remember to keep your game and system updated to minimize compatibility problems. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.